Don't memorize essay, memorize the template. This is the template to make you score band 9 and very easily. The most commonly asked question in IELTS writing task 2 is discuss both views and give your opinion. Some people think technology has improved communication, whereas others argue it has made people less social. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Now, this is actually asked in IELTS essays a lot. This is the most commonly asked format in IELTS essay. Discuss both views and give your opinion. I will give you a template, a structure to give this answer in a way which will instantly make you score band 9. Okay? In introduction, structure it in a way. While some people believe dash, others argue dash, this essay will explore both perspectives before presenting my opinion. Body paragraph 1, begin body paragraph with on one hand, begin body paragraph 2 with on the other hand, because in body paragraph 2 we have to provide opposing viewpoints. So say on the other hand. In conclusion, say you begin with your conclusion with, in conclusion, although technology has its disadvantages, I believe its benefits outweigh its drawbacks. Okay, this is the structure of conclusion. In conclusion, although dash, its benefits outweigh its drawbacks. Begin body paragraph 1 with on one hand, body paragraph 2 with on the other hand, and the structure of introduction is, while some people believe dash, others argue dash, this essay will explore both perspectives before presenting my opinion. Instead of saying discuss, mostly people write this essay will discuss both perspectives, right? Explore sounds more advanced. Okay, this is the template. Memorize this, steal this template. It will instantly, within seconds, make you score band 9. Okay. Now I will write an essay live for you guys to show you that if you know the template, if you know how to structure your essay, you can write an essay in 10 minutes, inshallah. So the introduction. Kya naam hai? Some people believe technology has revolutionized. If you know how to structure your essay, you can write your essay in 10 minutes. So memorize the template, steal the structure. Don't memorize essay, memorize the template, memorize the structure. Some people believe technology has revolutionized communicate, whereas others argue. Please excuse my messy handwriting. My handwriting is pretty, but here I'm writing quickly. That's why it's getting a little untidy. Apologies for that. Whereas others believe it has made people less social. Whereas others believe it has made people less social. This essay will explore both perspectives. Instead of writing this essay will discuss, say explore. This essay will explore both perspectives before presenting my opinion. That's it. My introduction is done. Now moving to body paragraph 1. I told you how to begin your body paragraph. On one hand, technology undoubtedly has made communication instant and convenient. Through smartphones and digital platforms, people can instantly communicate regardless of geographical distances. Please excuse my handwriting. It's just because I'm in a hurry. It's getting messy. Otherwise, I promise you I have very pretty handwriting. Regardless of geographical distances. Moreover is a golden word to use in IELTS essay. Moreover and furthermore, always use these two words in IELTS essay. They will instantly boost your band score. Moreover, businesses can quickly connect with clients around the world. Businesses can quickly connect with clients around the world. That's it. My body paragraph 1 is done. When you know the structure, you can write very easily. That's what my point is. Now moving to body paragraph 2. On the other hand, some people, on the other hand, technology has reduced genuine human connection. On the other hand, however, no, you can also say however instead of on the other hand, technology has reduced genuine human connection. Earlier, people would spend their spare time or evenings by going for walks in park, or meet friends in cafes, They would have meaningful conversations. Deepening their bond. They would have meaningful conversations which would deepen their emotional bond. Nowadays, people spend their spare time by scrolling on phones without any meaningful purpose. This habit leads to isolation and loneliness. That's it. My body paragraph 2 is done. Now moving to conclusion. Begin your conclusion with in conclusion. Always begin your conclusion with in conclusion. Although technology has negatively reduced face-to-face interaction, I believe its advantages outweigh its implications. Instead of saying disadvantages, say implications. It sounds more academic. I believe its advantages outweigh its implications. Instead of saying disadvantages, say implications. Implications sounds more advanced and academic. Its implications. But balance is the key to make it truly beneficial. I believe its advantages outweigh its implications, but balance is the key to make it truly beneficial. That's it. I'm done with my essay in 10 minutes. But the balance is the key to make it truly beneficial. This is a killer line. It will instantly make you score band 9. Okay, so my point was that if you know the template, if you know how to structure your essay, you can write your essay very quickly and easily. So steal this template, and please share this video with people who are preparing for IELTS, because this is a very golden tip I'm giving you. This is a template which can help you structure your essay in a way which will very instantly make you score band 9. Okay, so please share these videos with people who write essays or are preparing for IELTS, because this is a golden tip I'm giving you. Okay, hope the point is clear. Steal this template. Don't memorize the essay, memorize this template. Know how to structure the essay, then you will very easily learn to write nice essays, academic essays. Okay, thank you. Hope my video was helpful. Please tell me in the comments whether you liked it or not. I promise you I'm sweating, because where I live it is so incredibly hot, and to make videos I have to turn off the fan, so I'm sweating now, and I'm also not feeling very well. So please, I'm making this video for you guys. So please be kind, and just for one moment, write a comment and tell me whether my videos are helpful or not. I'm genuinely curious to know whether my lessons are helpful or not. So please just spare a few moments and tell me in the comments whether my lessons are helpful or not, because I'm doing a tremendous amount of hard work to make these videos. I'm doing tremendous amount of hard work to make these videos. So please just spare one moment and tell me in the comments whether my lessons are helpful or not. I'm genuinely curious to know. Thank you.